Feeling like your ads aren't pulling their weight, not seeing the sales that you deserve? You're not alone. Spending money on ads is just the start. It's time to start making every dollar work harder for you. Hi, I'm Courtney, a Google Ads expert with 19 years of experience. This year alone, I've helped businesses like yours turn ad spend into over $19 million in sales using simple but powerful strategies that only a Google Ads expert would know. And I'd love to share those tips with you so you can get the same kind of results. Imagine taking your ads from average to amazing, boosting your ROI from a 3.5 to an 11.8, and increasing your sales by 240%, all by making some smart tweaks to what you already have running. I want to personally invite you to our private Maximize Your Google Ads workshop on Thursday, September 26th from 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern Time, where we're diving into real strategies you can put into action the very same day. No fluff, just hands-on support to get your ads performing at their absolute best. In this workshop, we'll cover proven techniques that will boost your ad performance, how to fix what's holding your campaigns back, and real-time solutions to your biggest ad challenges. Plus, stick around for a 60-minute Q&A with me and Kelly, where you'll get advice tailored specifically to your questions. I'd love for you to join us on September 26th. This isn't just another workshop, though. It's a chance to finally make your ads work the way that they should be. Spots are super limited, so we can keep it hands-on and personal. Grab your spot now for just $297, and let's make every dollar count. I can't wait to see you there. Don't miss this chance. Reserve your spot now, and let's get your ads working harder for you.